How to log in to hotmail.com account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your hotmail.com account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, simply type in hotmail.com. As you do so, you will see its official website on your first search result. Tap onto it. Then here you will see this page. Tap on to sign in. Here tap on sign in just below the download option. At this section, simply type in your email address, your phone number, or your Skype, and once done, tap on to next. Again, once you are here, simply type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, tap on forgot password at the link below and you will get help resetting your account. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on sign in. If your credential matches your account, you will successfully get logged into your Hotmail account, and that is how you will be able to do so. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.